Hi, best friends. Welcome back again. I know you are loving this series, so thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. All right, so on today's episode, I guess, we're going to do the letter G. Okay, so as always, I have looked up animals and places and songs and recipes for you guys to do with your children or your students or by yourself because the recipes are super fun. I like to do them. So let's go ahead and get started. As always, you're going to see me in a little box and then you'll see the PDF. I don't know why Zoom does this. Zoom be better. It should be automatic. All right. So, like before, we have the place and we have the type of animal it is. And of course, the PDF will be at the bottom so you can get a printout out of it. And here's another page and a third page. A lot of G animals. Now to our books, George and Martha, Giraffes, Go Dog, and probably the two of the best children's books ever, Good Night Gorilla and Good Night Moon. Then we have Curious George, Gingerbread Man. Now, the Gingerbread Man, there are a ton of different books and variations. So, but I found the original author. And then we have the crafts to go with the books, two for each. And then we have our foods about where it's from and the type of food it is. A little bit more. We have our places. And then for the recipes, I love them so much. You can't tell me this is not cute. We will fight about it. All right. And as always, I put super easy things for you guys to do because we're going to have little ones or big ones. I'm not judging. Making the crafts. And then we get to eat them, so it's double fun. This gingerbread recipe I did not do because again, I usually find the pictures and then I write the recipes myself. I enlisted a professional. So thank you to this website who made this delicious recipe. Sharing is caring. Lots of directions. Then we have Curious George, cute little hat. And then our shapes and songs. And again, here's the link. Again, you can find a ton of other ones if you just type in kids songs. All right, my friends. Well, that is it for letter F. I hope you've been enjoying this series so far. Please like and share and subscribe. I would be very much appreciative. And then I will see you guys in the next letter H. Bye.